Before we jump into building our Git, let's quickly recap some concepts. Git helps us track changes to our files over time. It does this by creating snapshots of our project. These snapshots are stored in a hidden directory called .git. Inside this directory, we have objects. This is where Git stores the actual content of our files. Think of it as the main data storage. Refs are pointers to our commits. Head points to the currently checked out branch or commit. And index contains the stage files that we are tracking. So how do we build this? Well, we start with the core concept of initializing a repository. When you run git init, essentially we are creating the .git folder and all of its required subfolders and files. When you use git add, we add the content of the file, compress it using zlib, and store it as a blob object in the objects directory. The file's content is also hashed, and that hash is added to the index file, which can be used to locate the object. When we commit, we read the index file to get the staged files and create a tree object. This tree represents the directory structure of our project at that moment by storing the file path. Also, we store the hash of the file to link the file object. Then we create a commit object. This commit object contains metadata like the author, date, and commit message. It also points to a tree object, which in turn points to the file objects. This is how Git links everything together. During git reset, we update the head pointer to point to the desired commit. Then it uses a tree object associated with that commit to reconstruct the file structure and restore the file content from the corresponding file objects.